Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase API usage with Stripe, detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase API usage with Stripe, start by understanding your current API needs. Identify the services your business offers that require payment processing. Next, review Stripe's API documentation for the latest features and updates. Create a Stripe account if you haven't done so yet. Once logged in, generate your API keys from the Stripe dashboard. Ensure you're using the right keys in your development and production environments. Integrate the API into your application by following best practices outlined in the documentation. Implement webhooks to receive real-time updates about payment events. Monitor API performance by using Stripe's built-in analytics tools. Optimize your API calls to reduce latency and improve user experience. Utilize Stripe's capabilities for subscription management if applicable. Explore additional features like the Stripe terminal for in-person transactions. Regularly test the integration to identify any potential issues early. Keep security in mind by following PCI compliance guidelines provided by Stripe. Consider leveraging customer feedback to enhance and tailor your payment processes. Document your API usage and any changes you implement for future reference. Finally, stay updated on Stripe's evolving services to continuously optimize your payment solution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.